Hello and welcome to our channel. Yet another model is released in Intern-S1-mini. So this is the Intern-S1-mini is a lightweight open source multi-modal reasoning model based on the same technique as Intern-S1, built upon 8 billion dense language model Queen 3 and 0.38 vision encoder. InternViT Intern-S1-mini has been further pre-trained on 5 trillion tokens of multimodal data, including over 2.5 trillion scientific domain tokens. This enabled the model to retain strong general capabilities while excelling in specialized scientific domains such as interpreting chemical structures, understanding protein sequence, and planning compound synthesis routes, making Intern-S1-mini to be a capable research assist for real-world scientific application. So this model is very powerful and it can be used for scientific research as well. So features are strong performance across language and vision reasoning benchmarks, especially scientific tasks, continuously pre-trained on massive 5 trillion token dataset and over 50% specialized scientific data embedding deep model expertise. So you can use this model like this. This is the code they have given it here, and the model name is Intern-S1-mini, and sample prompt is this: tell me interesting physical phenomena, and if you run it on your capable GPU, then it should give you the output. Similarly, it is also describe the image. So this is the example of image, and if we ask this model to describe this image, it's going to correctly describe the image. I think some logging is required, but if you have a capable GPU, then you can run this program locally and test it. We can use the also for video inputs. URL of the video is this. What type of shot is the man performing? So it is also video reasoning model. So this model is very capable model, and you can try it on your computer, and this is used for scientific research as well. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel for more tutorials and videos.